Addends, Part 1 with Mr. Ney. Learning Target, Unit 1, Lesson 1, Day 1. Today I will use addends so that I can find the total or sum. I know I will have it when I can use Math Mountains for addition and subtraction. Vocabulary, Unit 1, Lesson 1. Partners are two numbers that can be put together to make a larger number. For example, 2 and 5 are partners that go together to make the number 7. Break apart. Children can break apart a larger number to form two smaller numbers. Equation. An equation is a mathematical sentence that has two equal sides separated by an equal sign. 4 plus 6 equals 10 is an example of an equation. Total. The total is the entire number or amount counted. The total of 2 and 5 is 7. Math Mountain. A math mountain shows a total on top and two partners or addends at the bottom. Addends. Addends are any of a group of numbers added together to form a total. Relate math mountains and equations for addition. Discuss the math mountain and the equation. Where's the total? Where are the partners or addends? Looking at the math mountain first, the total is at the top of the math mountain. When we're looking at an equation, we have to look at where the equal sign is, and the total is on the right side of the equal sign. Where are the partners or addends? Well, on the math mountain, the addends are at the bottom of the math mountain. While the equation, looking at the equal sign, the addends are on the left side of the equal sign. Number 2, tell word problems for both. Looking at the addends in the math mountain, what number are we going to put at the top of the math mountain when we put the addends together? Looking at the equation, it has the same addends, 8 and 6. So, what is going to be my total to the right of the equal sign? Number 3, we're going to solve both and compare our strategies. Looking at the math mountain, at the bottom, we have the addends 8 and 6, and when we put it together, we put the total at the top of the math mountain, which is 14. Moving on to the equation, we have the addends 8 and 6, which we can add together and put our total to the right of the equation, which is 14. Now that we've solved both, we look at the math mountain, and at the top of the math mountain is 14, and the equation to the right of the equal sign is also 14. Relate math mountains and equations for subtraction. Discuss this math mountain and the equations. Number 4, where's the total? Where are the partners or addends? In the math mountain, the total is at the top, which we already have. In the first equation, the total is to the right of the equal sign, which we do have, is 15. In the second equation, the total is still going to be to the right of the equal sign, which we do not have yet. Where are the partners or addends? In the math mountain, the addend is at the bottom of the math mountain, and we're missing one addend. In the first equation, the addends are to the left of the equal sign. Here we have 9 and a missing addend to the left of the equal sign. In their second equation, the addends or partners is to the left of the equal sign. Tell word problems for all. With the math mountain, the top is 15. What missing addend can we put together with a 9 to get that 15? Let's talk about the first equation. 9 plus what addend equals 15? Let's talk about the second equation. Here we have 15 minus 9 equals what total? Now we're going to solve all and compare our strategies. So looking at the math mountain, we have 9 plus something will give me 15. Let's go ahead and use our fingers. Start at 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I counted 6 fingers. So 6 fingers with that 9 will give me that 15. So that means 9 plus 6 equals 15. And 15 minus 9, well, is 6. As we compare all 3 of these, the math mountain and the first equation already have the totals. So the addends for the math mountain and the first equation is 6. But in the third equation, we don't have the total, but it's still 6, because 15 minus 9 is 6. Objective, Unit 1, Lesson 1, Day 1. Write equations for math mountains. Write 2 equations for each math mountain.